Hi everybody. Um, I work in a grocery store. I've been here for about 22 years, and just recently, theft has become a huge issue. I mean, people are filling up grocery carts, completely filled, and just walking out with the cart. Even if we're onto them and we're not supposed to stop them for safety reasons because other stores, there's been a couple people that gotten seriously hurt trying to apprehend thieves. So we're just supposed to let them go, but we tell them to stop or leave their stuff, and they just laugh at us and keep walking. So what did we do? We installed a new system. What happens is if you don't go through the checkout lane, this thing on the wheel here just locks up and it makes the cart stop at the front door and an alarm goes off. I mean, it's not foolproof, but it does stop people from filling the cart up with, a dozen cases of beer and just walking out like happens all the time. I will now demonstrate. Approaching the door. I haven't gone through anything. Got a cart full of stuff. And, oh! So today was the first day that actually went live, and it was pretty funny. I mean, it went off probably 50 times because they're still working out a few things here and there on like the small carts. For some reason there's a problem with the wheel. I don't know. Anyways, it did manage to stop two potential thieves. People came in, filled up their cart, and I guess couldn't read the big sign on the inside of the cart, or maybe couldn't even decipher the picture. But they went ahead and they tried it and got stopped at the front door. Alarm went off. Somebody went over and asked them for the receipt. Of course, they didn't have any, and they just tried to run off. Yeah, it's a good first step in trying to stop the huge shoplifting. It's not going to stop the people coming in and grabbing a bottle here or there, or grabbing their lunch, but it's those career thieves that they're on Marketplace. Even they come in and steal 5 boxes of diapers and a bunch of laundry detergent, and then you see it for sale on Marketplace. So it's happening, and that's how they get it most of the time. So yeah, first of a crackdown. I'm happy. I was getting aggravated that people are getting away with so much stuff. So anyways, that's my rant. That's my little demonstration of our new system, and thanks a lot. Have a good one. Like and subscribe.